So for this activity, the activity number 11, brains and children, it really made me start to think. So how this article, it's shown me that marketing research has a great deal of recognizing the influences children can have on their caregiver with purchasing decisions because they're more likely to get the junk food because it's more inviting and more fun, and it comes off to them as something cool and like it's pretty and it's fun. And they're more drawn to that, and that makes complete sense whenever you're in the grocery store with your child, or you see like a mom and their kid in the grocery store, and you see the kid wanting the thing that's not as healthy because it's more inviting to that child. Um, I agree with this because I remember when I was a child, the media, and not some of the media, but not a lot of the media, had an impact on me as a child with what I would want to eat, but mostly like my friends and like what I would get at my daycare is what I would want to eat too. For example, like the Frosted Flakes has always been one of my favorite cereals, and I think it happened at like a young age because you always hear on the commercials and stuff, the big tiger, and he's like, they're great. But another thing that I wanted to touch on was this quote, or this bullet. Um, a huge study was done of a preschool with children and their television viewing that they do, um, and it really shocked me that they found that over that 30% of 3,000 preschoolers in that study had a TV set in their bedroom, and they were more likely to be overweight. That was very shocking that because I had a TV in my bedroom, but I don't remember having a TV in my bedroom as a preschooler. So I don't understand how preschoolers have TVs in their bedroom, but I guess they do now. But I can see why that would mean that they would be overweight, since being able to snack or something while they're watching TV in their room, they could be more likely overweight. But this did shock me while I was reading this article.